What's up, everyone? I want to take a second to wish you all a happy and safe New Year. Don't drink and drive. I actually was supposed to work shift tonight at the firehouse, but I got lucky and I got out of it. I'm on vacation. Just came back from 2.5 days of snowmobiling in Michigan, and that's all I'm doing. I'm not doing much more. I don't go back until next week, so I'm being lazy. But anyways, got Bandit here with me. He was getting into something that he shouldn't have gotten into, and so I grabbed him. But anyways, I wanted to thank everyone who's joined the Big Rig group build so far. I ran this idea across by Thomas. Where are you going? I ran this idea past Thomas back in May or June, and I never thought it would have been in reality because it's just right around the corner. So, all right. Well, it starts tonight at midnight. I'm going to be up. I don't know if I'm going to start on anything. I'll definitely be cleaning some parts or whatever I need to do. So, definitely be working on it tomorrow. I will also do a intro coming up to show what I'm building because I have not shown what I'm doing yet. Again, I want to thank everyone that's joined it. I never thought I would have had this many people in the build. I want to thank Kenny and Thomas. Kenny's helping us out with the videos and that, as you can see. And where are you going? Anyways, that's it. So, you guys be safe tonight. I'm getting kisses. Who's giving me kisses? Anyways, you guys be safe tonight. Don't drink and drive. Designated driver. And have fun with the build. Again, I want to thank everyone. Have a good New Year. I'm out. Peace.